Okay, this is the Mateminco with the center thumbnail bracket removed. See, yeah. After I remove, I realized this thing is a bit shaky. This center ring adapter is a bit shaky. Okay, yeah. That's why if I screw it in, after that, once I screw it tight, okay, regardless how much I screw it tight, you can see it's wobblish. Okay, see, because of it's not secure, right? I mean, see the noise you make once you go and rotate it. So this is how it is. Okay, let me show you again. There, it's a bit wobblish. Okay, so if when you rotate it here, you can hear the noise because of the holding is not fitted nicely, because it's a bit loose in the center ring. Okay,